of the foot, the bottom of the foot.
Here the plan. It gets stupider.
Sticky.
And stupider. And stupider.
And perhaps even
every Friday.
stupider than that.
Yeah. So today now, Londa soon walk on with some ridiculous looking pants. And we have to turn back to back. In the
my
same
baby,
pants.
front to front to front. My baby, side to side to side.
Come now, bring the
my
pants.
baby,
Look at
this is what
tell me,
she told me.
don't think
Here come Landy on a pony, riding on a big fat pony. Here come Landy on a pony, and this is what she...
So
wait, man. All right. You go in first, you know. Yeah.
Searching for my foot. Anyone can find?
Yeah. You need a job.
no, wait. Is that?
Yeah, so the next
Is my foot onto one side? And
so your foot in one side? That's
Is that
I would hope so, because otherwise it's going to be pretty awkward in here.
Yeah.
You're not sorry, Londa. You're lying.
I'm sorry.
Go on, yeah, Nev. We're a team, buddy. We got this.
You can take off my shoes.
Okay.
1 foot.
Look, I'll go make this easy for you now.
You have to turn in the pants off.
Jesus Christ.
All right. Okay. So what we do now? Let's do the face. Wait, no man. Wait, no, we're supposed to be in the middle.
I want to know who took the measurements.
Sam, we're supposed to be in the middle.
Who took the measurements for these
And
pants?
then you reach that, and I reach this, and we stuff it. Are we ready?
Not afraid.
Yes.
Mind your bottom. Don't do things, you know. Oh my God. But these pants cannot stuff because the balls drop down in the pants. The balls drop. Wait, she didn't tell me that. A different story altogether. Nev, what are you doing? Nev. He's cheating, isn't he? Why, Nefril? Why are you shoving me over? That's not a part of the game. Jesus,
I have you, man. I have you. Don't worry. You're not doing that place. I have you.
This is not what was supposed to happen.
I have all of my
Landia. Can you come here, please, Landia? I have a bit of a crisis here.
I am so good that I'll see more in my
Wait,
teeth.
have to shove up the ball. Wait a bit. The balloon.
Come the summer, man.
Can you just give me a moment? Because you're the one who shoved me down here.
I never showed you, dog. Them say I must reach my things.
Back in business now. Why is this over here? Is this mine or yours?
Oh, can Simone win? Everything. What 2 pin?
The ones that I just put into my side of the pants. But also, Nev, this must go into your pants.
I will say life the hard.
I have one pin. So I win because everything is gone. So that's your pin, and also your bag needs to go in. Unique, we didn't have a belt. Come here. Your bag needs to go into.
Which bag?
Over there. Fully dressed. Except we don't have a belt.
Hold on. Picture time. You ready? You ready?
Go.
Okay.
So 53 seconds left.
Oh, we have 50 seconds left.
And the challenge is finished. So I would just say, turn up the music.
I'm going to dance.
And I could dance our way to break.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4.